Hello everyone, and welcome to my kitchen by Nana. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make fried jacket potatoes. It is a very simple recipe and you can always do it at your home. It takes a very short time and you can always enjoy them anytime with your kids or with your friends and family. I'm not going to peel the potatoes, so I have to wash them very clean so that they don't have any dirt or any soil on them. I'm cutting small size potatoes because first of all I want them to cook very fast, and then they also come out very crispy after frying them, and they come out very tasty because they have all the flavors within them. And for the ingredients, I'm going to be using some ginger, garlic and red onion. I'm going to pound them together and then I'll add them to the potatoes before boiling them. I'm adding some fresh rosemary to the potatoes because I like the flavor of the rosemary. You can as well add it. You can also add some other ingredients that you would wish to have in your recipe. For the dry ingredients, I'm only using salt and turmeric. I've just finished setting my fire, so now I'm going to place the saucepan on the heat and then let my potatoes boil for like 15 minutes. The type of potatoes I've used today is very soft, so it cooks for a very short time. I want them to be very soft. When the oil is ready, add the potatoes to the oil and then fry them for some time until they look ready, crispy, and the color is becoming golden. Don't forget to subscribe to my kitchen by Nana. Leave your comments down below. Also hit the notification bell in case of any new uploads. And also check the description box for the ingredients and all the spices I've used in this video. Thank you for watching.